Well, we're back again, rushing through all these new builds from early April. This one here is for Bryan in Florida on the Stryker SR-955HPC Plus. Bryan elected for just the basic tune. We did just that. Show you with RF power all the way down. Let's pull that out. We don't need that 100-watt slug. That was for the other video we just did. So there's your 50-watt slug there. And there's just a shy under 2 watts all the way down there, Bryan, all the way down. 25 all the way up. Now let me show you average power swing. Low 50 bird average. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello, hello, hello. And about 117 PEP. All right, Bryan, we're going to get it down to you. I appreciate it once again. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.